children. Now I am going to tell you how to dye a cotton cloth with turmeric. Not only turmeric, we can use many natural colors like beetroot, spinach, carrot, orange peels, strawberries, grapes. But the simple and available material is turmeric. So let us take this cotton cloth, white cloth, and tie it with turmeric. Come, let us see. Take the cloth and take some water, make it wet. If it is a new cotton cloth, it definitely will have so much starch. You need to soak it for more time. Squeeze it and keep aside. Boil some water. When the water starts boiling, you need to take turmeric and salt. First add approximately 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of salt. This salt helps in proper dyeing. Mix the turmeric powder properly. Take the cloth and dip in this. And leave it for approximately 5 minutes. Now take this carefully out, children. Then slowly place this in cold water. Dipping in cold water helps us to get rid of the excess turmeric powder. If you place this in hot water for more time, you will get even darker color. If you want light color, you can place for few minutes. After washing in cold water, now you can squeeze it. We need to dry it. Once we dry, our dyeing will be finished. See, now it is dry. Okay? Yeah. But children, when you do such activities, please do under your parents' supervision. Yeah. Now I will tell you how to tie and dye. Okay? For this you need any light colored cloth like this and green piece or gram, anything. Or beads also you can take, thread, scissors. For marking, pen or sketch pen. Yeah. I will fold this so I will get a center. So this is the center. Let me mark here. Okay. After you get the center, approximately mark wherever you want. Okay, I mark it like this. Now, I mark at the edges also. You can use scale and approximately marking. Okay, now the next step is you need to take gram or beads. So, first of all, keep the bead like this. And here take thread and tie it. So when we dye, this tight part won't be dyed. Okay? Then we will get the patterns. Now you see, you will get something like this. It looks messy, but the pattern will be interesting. You can right now directly start dyeing. Otherwise, for getting more interesting pattern, what you can do is, where you tied this, leave little space and hold like this and tie. Okay, this is only to get more interesting pattern. That way, we can do for all the sides. See, it looks something like this. Now we will dye it. Now we have the hot turmeric water. We need to take this cloth to be dyed and place in this. Mix it thoroughly and leave it for 5 minutes. Take this out carefully and place in cold water. As I told you, placing in cold water removes excess turmeric powder. After you wash it in cold water, squeeze it and then dry it. Now this is to be dried. Now when you remove all the threads, you can get something like this. You can create your own patterns also. Yes, hope you will try this activity, but please do under your parents' supervision only.